Good morning, everybody. Galiko from Apollo IT Services here. Winter edition. It's literally snowing in Austin, something that doesn't happen very often. Half the city is closed. Everybody's at home office. So that's pretty much it. So this week, the topic is going to be the new kid in the block, Windows 11, right? It's been out for a few months now, like 3-4 months now. And we see a lot of clients asking us like, hey, should we upgrade to Windows 11 or should we buy the new machines like pre-installed with Windows 11 from the vendor himself, from the manufacturer, like Dell, Lenovo, Asus, stuff like that. So here's our recommendation. Usually when there is a big Windows update, a big Windows release, right? In this case, Windows 11, we always recommend waiting for at least 2 quarterly updates to come out before we recommend updating that. It usually happens like, again, after 6 months to 8 months. You want to make sure that like Microsoft like crash all the bugs they have with this new big release. And more importantly, you want to make sure that you have enough time, you want to give enough time to the vendors that develop software to catch up on the changes on Windows 11 and make sure that their software is optimized to work with the new system. We see a lot of problems with some AMD and Intel processors on the systems, game platforms on the new system, and some software that is not 100% compatible, or they have some bugs that they need to fix. So a new system, I know it's nice and shiny and fancy, but hold yourself on that. Wait for at least 6 months after a new release and check up, especially if you have a specific software that you know, check with the vendor portal or website, see if they support the new system, and if they do, if there is any known bugs or updates they're expecting to roll out that will make the software 100% compatible with the new system. So that's all for this week. People, wherever you are, keep safe, keep warm. If you have any kind of IT questions, concerns, you want to know more information, give us a holler. This is Galiko. Have a wonderful week.